Let us create first HelloWorld Java application. You got launch Eclipse IDE, create Java project named HelloWorld. Right click on the search folder in the package explorer, then click new class, name the class HelloWorld, select public static environment checkbox, click finish. It creates the HelloWorld class. Our system HelloWorld in the main method, run as Java application from the package explorer. You can see the HelloWorld in the console window. Now let me launch the Eclipse. File, new Java project, HelloWorld, click finish, expand, src, new class, HelloWorld. The file is already exist. Let me delete the file. Let me cancel it and reopen it because I deleted the file just now. I will change the name into my class. Select the public static environment, click finish. So my class contains this. Now go to copy this and paste this. Hello world. Now run the application. So it is executed successfully. Hello world is displayed. So this is our first Hello World Java application. If you have any query about any technology, please comment or send an email to onlinetechuniversity@gmail.com. We will answer your query in this YouTube channel. Thank you. Please subscribe if you like this channel.